Good morning, everyone. I'm Nimivashi from the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York, and we are Team Covengers, arming the doctors with real-time treatment data in a war against pandemics. The problem today is not unknown to anyone. An unseen pathogen is killing people every few minutes. And while the pathogen continues to spread across the globe, the humans, us, continue to do clinical trial in small pockets across the globe with small number of patients with no central global health repository to be able to understand what works in certain patients and what does not. So now, when a patient comes to a clinician, one is clueless on how to treat. What's the solution to this? Us, the Covengers, believe that it's time for the world to come together to make such a global health record repository that can work in pandemics. And how do we aim to do that? By combining electronic health records from different patients, various health aggregation platforms, publicly available data, and from patients. Once a person comes to our portal, the doctors can feed in the data and the electronic or plug in the electronic health record. And the same thing can be done for the by the patient by giving us access to these. And once we have all of this information, our machine learning algorithms would crunch it to make patterns out of it. So now, say for example, a patient comes into a clinician and he has to decide what to give this patient. He has drug recommendations with confidence scores for different drugs based on different sets of literature. One can also dwell into the details of why what is recommended, get a global detail of why and what, understand the checkpoints and the critical points to take care of, and of course, dwell into the literature if one wants to. So we do understand that this is a mammoth task. Therefore, we have started locally and then we aim to go globally. We believe that this is the first SOS response infrastructure with global partnerships and that can help epidemics and pandemics to come in future and not just for COVID-19. This is how it all started and these have been our partners. These are the first responders, the co-vengers who have made it happen. So if this initiative speaks to you, join our open source movement and be a co-venger today. Thank you.